How to lower triglycerides quickly and naturally at home. Triglycerides are a type of fat found in your blood that are actually needed for good health. They are important because they provide your body with energy. But when triglyceride levels become too high, your body begins to store them as fat, and the risk of heart disease increases. Major causes for death in the USA and the reason for any heart disease is the bad food that people consume. The large amount of salt, unhealthy fats, and the hidden sugar triggers many dangerous diseases. You should start doing physical exercise to maintain normal weight and keep an eye on your cholesterol and blood pressure. Stop smoking cigarettes and start avoiding alcohol. A healthy triglyceride diet should include a combination of foods with specific nutrients, including those that are rich in antioxidants, like cranberries. This homemade remedy is an excellent treatment for high triglycerides. There is one recipe that will lower your high blood pressure and will keep you healthy. The foods included in the recipe will help you to lower your triglycerides levels quickly. Give it a try. Ingredients: 1 glove of minced garlic, 1/2 lemon juice, 1/2 tablespoon grated ginger, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon organic honey. Method: put all the ingredients in a blender and blend them until you get the smooth mixture. Place the mixture in a jar and store it in the refrigerator. Small doses of this mixture should be consumed through the day before the meals. You can adjust its consistency by adding water as per your need. Alternatively, you can simply add it in any of your favorite drink. Health benefits: 1. Ginger. Ginger helps combat high blood pressure as it's a mild stimulant and is a low-sodium food. Ginger helps to improve blood circulation and relax the muscles surrounding blood vessels, lowering blood pressure. Try ginger tea by chopping ginger roots and boiling for 5 minutes. 2. Garlic. Using garlic is a natural remedy for high blood pressure. It helps lower cholesterol levels and simultaneously acts as a blood thinner. You can add chopped garlic to soups and sauce or while sautéing greens. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar decreases the triglycerides and cholesterol. It normalizes the blood sugar and the insulin, and it is great for diabetes. 4. Honey. First of all, take honey regularly and you will prevent the accumulation of cholesterol in your blood vessels. Eat more natural fats and avoid processed foods. Try this recipe and let us know if you receive relief or not by visiting our comment section. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon. So keep on watching more videos to get the best natural home remedies.